Hello and welcome back to another episode by Public Media Solution. We are creating these videos to make you understand everything there is to know about the PR industry in India. Once again, we are India's third largest PR agency and we hope that you like this video. आज का जो वीडियो है ना वो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. Instead of teaching you something about PR, instead of teaching you something about the differences of PR and the types of PR, आज का जो वीडियो होगा वो थोड़ा केस स्टडी टाइप होगा. But instead of naming people and saying this is what and this is what, we are just going to give you an example of the power of public relations, the problem statement that the client presented to us and how we were able to solve it very easily. So let's just jump right into it. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर ये सोचिए कि देयर इज अ कंपनी एंड द कंपनी इज कॉल्ड अर्शिज एयर. ऑलराइट, अर्शिज एयर इज अ प्राइवेट कंपनी विच डज प्राइवेट चार्टर्ड हेलीकॉप्टर एंड प्राइवेट जेट टूर्स ऑफ बैंगलोर. ये उनका कंपनी का बिजनेस मॉडल है. दे हैव बॉट 3 प्राइवेट जेट्स, दे हैव बॉट 4 प्राइवेट हेलीकॉप्टर्स एंड दे आर टारगेटिंग अ वेरी वेरी एलीट मार्केट वेर इन दे आर गिविंग दीज टूर्स एंड सर्विसेज. ऑलराइट, ये है अर्शिज एयर का बिजनेस मॉडल. Problem statement that the CEO of Arshiz Air, when they came to us, they said that यार हमारा business model इतना अच्छा है, we've invested crores and crores of rupees into the business, but nobody's talking about us. Nobody seems to be knowing what we are. We are running thousands and lakhs of rupees worth of ads, but no one seems to be talking about who we are. Arsh, क्या कर सकते हैं यार? What can we do to solve this problem? Because we need to solve this problem yesterday. Today is already too late. So the team and I, we had an internal discussion and we said कि यार एक काम करते हैं. Let's create a scenario wherein first and foremost we have to get the top available media in Bangalore very very interested in this company. तो जब हमने थोड़े मीडिया जर्नलिस्ट से बात की ना तो द जर्नलिस्ट कम्स एंड टेल्स अस कि यार देख अर्श, द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट द स्टोरी is targeting such an elite crowd that there is no public interest in it. सामने वाला बंदा पढ़ के बोलेगा कि यार this is not the right audience that you're giving this article for. ना तो मेरा सब एडिटर अप्रूव करेंगे ना तो मेरे एडिटर अप्रूव करेंगे. There is absolutely no way that we are going to be carrying this story. Now, as an agency, it is very easy for us to go back and tell the client that यार देखो it's difficult and the journalist is saying no. But no, we are public media solution and we will find a solution. हम लोग हमारा काम ही है कि we will find one solution but we will find the right solution. So what did we do? We thought about it from a perspective of saying that let's first create a bit of public interest in the story. So we approached and we said that एक काम करो, for every government school student who comes first in their class or in the next semester, Arshiz Air will offer one free helicopter ride across Bangalore. ये हमारा statement था. This was our goal, saying that we will offer one free helicopter ride to these students who come first in their class. And we reached out to all of the government schools and we just said this, that we are in collaboration with Arshiz Air and this is what we're going to be doing. Just let your students know. Once we did that, we got not only all of the national media interested, we got international media interested. We got people from across the world saying that look at this company who not only from a CSR perspective, but also look at the perspective. To say that when you look at government school students, they're usually looked upon as somebody you should be helping, somebody who needs a lot of help and somebody who should be supporting financially. Versus when you look at the other end of the spectrum, wherein you are looking at private chartered helicopter tours of Bangalore, which is lakhs and crores of rupees worth of business, and you're merging and collaborating these together. That is when not only the editor, not only the sub-editor, every single journalist in India wanted to cover our story and absolutely earned, absolutely free of cost. The reason for this was because the story was good. The CEO of Arshiz Air comes to us, thanks us and is still our client after I think it's been about 3.5, 4 years now. They've been together with us because of the value proposition we bring to the table. As a PR agency, our goal and our objective has always been to create stories which are in public interest. And that, I can assure you, is something that we are absolutely capable of doing. ऑलराइट, होपफुली आपको ये केस स्टडी सुन के थोड़ा मजा आया होगा, थोड़ा सा आपका दिमाग भी चला होगा टू थिंक दैट यार ओ वाओ दिस इज द लेवल ऑफ पब्लिक रिलेशंस विच इज पॉसिबल नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट ऑल्सो इंटरनेशनली. अगर आपके पास ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है तो फील फ्री टू ब्रिंग इट आउट टू अस. वी विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू असिस्ट यू. ऑलवेज वी आर अवेलेबल ओवर कॉल, ओवर ईमेल, ओवर कमेंट्स, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट वी विल ऑलवेज बी देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको ये देख के थोड़ा मजा आया हो, जस्ट ड्रॉप इट इन द कमेंट्स एंड वी एज एन एजेंसी विल स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग एन एंटायर प्लेलिस्ट ऑफ जस्ट केस स्टडीज ऑफ द वर्क दैट वी हैव डन. क्योंकि हमने इतने लेवल पे काम किया है. We have done so much work over the past 10 years. We just want an audience that sits and listens to us. अगर आपको मजा आ रहा है तो please let us know. We will create a proper playlist about case studies and we would love to hear from you. Thank you very much.